What's up guys, it's David. I just thought I'd make a quick video here of I guess a tutorial how to set up this incubator. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, so I'm gonna try my best to get all this in here without this light here in the way. But actually gotta take this out of the package. But I have this VE 300 for my thermostat. I have these 7 shells. Go ahead and open this up. There's 2 little latches here on the side. Alright, let's open it up here so you guys can see that. There we go, it's a little bit better. Alright, yeah, so if you see those 2 fans there, then you have these brackets on the side. It's for each shell. See them on both sides, going all the way down. Give me 1 sec here and I will start putting these in. All right, real quick. This came in here with the incubator. It was inside the VE thermostat. I have instructions here from C Serpents. Also comes with stickers and a couple other things. Most importantly, it does have these instructions for how you set it up. I will say that we do need a surge protector. It's important because you're gonna have to put that the fan and the LEDs into this, as well as thermostat. But yeah, let's keep going. All right, cool. So you have these 7 shelves here. It's real simple. Just put them in here and we'll start from the bottom. Hopefully you guys can see this. But yeah, let me get into it here. Real simple to install. Just kind of sit on those brackets. Have 7 in total. 7 right there. And if you can see this, hopefully you guys can. All right, last one. Again, you do want these this edge here on the outside pointing down. There it is. I don't know if you see that. But simple process of just putting those in. So now let me get this power strip. Got it in a box. Cool blue, right? Yeah, cool. Well, had this extension cord plugged into the wall. That'll give me power to this strip here. See lights on. So now we got power. Obviously flip it on and off. Have power here. But yeah, give me a sec. Let's open this up. That VE 300. It's fairly simple. Just set it up there. The power cord. So that's going to go to the back of the system here and plug into the strip. And then we have the probe. It's got 2 little spots here. It's easy enough to see, little ports. And then yeah, let me plug this up here, and then we'll actually get the plugs to the incubator and get that all fitted into the thermostat. All right, I got this the power cord to the VE 300 unraveled here. Real simple. See a little spot here for it. Just plug this right in here. You got the power. That's how it actually turns this on. We're going to go ahead and plug it into this power strip or the surge protector here. Plug it up and you should have power. See it come on. If you can see that, let me bring it to you. Hopefully it's in full. Oh yeah, check sensor. We need the probe. So let's plug this in. That's cool. It has an alarm for that, but yep. That's annoying. Let's plug this in. Probe. Actually has labeled right here for probe. It's very simple. You just plug it in. Should stop. There it goes. Here, click on. So we will set this aside for now. It's all raveled up. So we're just going to set this aside. We're going to set the temps here in a sec, as we are going to have to plug this the rest of the way up. All right, so I finally got these untangled here. Got the rubber band off. If you'll look, give me one sec, you'll see there's one with a big square. You see that? Big square. This is actually the fan and the lights, LED lights inside there. And then you have this other one. This is the actual heat source, the heat tape back in there. So this one, like I said, to the fan and the lights. This one can go directly into the how would you call that? The strip. But it's important that this one goes into the back of the thermostat. And I'll show you here. Switch sides. So into the strip, plug that up right here. And then heat source, as you see, fans turned on. You can hear them going. Blue lights, looks actually pretty cool. Let me see if you can see this. Give me 1 second here. And then this goes into the back here. See a spot? It says AC out. You'll see that. Plug it up right here. And that should get the heat. So once again, that big box goes right into the strip, but the heat itself has to go into the thermostat. Obviously, that's how you control how hot or how cool you want it. So yeah, give me 1 sec here. Let me try to get these cords sorted, and then I'll show you how to do the probe here. So give me 1 second here. All right, see all the shelves here, 7 shelves in total. Like I said, once you place that this box here, again, that is for the LED lights and the fans. And then on the back here is where you put the power cord into the thermostat, and then here's the probe, so you can see that. And just look at the front. You see it's not set up yet, but it is reading. Obviously you see the time, how hot it is, and the probe placement is at 75. But give me a few minutes here, I'll show you. We need to get this probe in through the back, and it's going to go right through that little port. There's a small hole, it goes out through the outside, out the back. So we will put that probe through there. So yeah, give me a few minutes here. We'll get this turned around, put that probe right in, and we'll start getting those temps set. All right, so I got this thing turned around. As you can tell, here is that a little white tube that's on the inside. Right there is where the probe's going in. Let's see here. Let me grab this. Grab the probe. Can't stand this mess here. I'm gonna have to sort that out. Yeah, start putting it in here, just insert it. It should be coming out through the front. So let me get this sorted here. Let me look, turn it back around, open it back up. Bring you down here. Give me 1 sec. All right, so you see the probe here. Just came right through there. It did push that little piece through here. I'll have to get that set back through there. Get that sorted. But as you can tell, the probe is through here. So we want to get probably about halfway through. Or sorry, have it come about halfway down. And yeah, give me a few minutes here, and we'll secure it and get these temps going. All right, so do you have quite a bit pulled through here? So what I'm going to do is going to run down the back, kind of towards the back wall in between these shelves, kind of run down back through the corner, and then I'm going to secure it to probably this shelf here, kind of right in the middle. Yeah, so pro tip here, another one. Invest in some cable ties, zip ties, however you're going to call them. Local hardware store. Got various different sizes. I'll tell you, these will save you in lots of different aspects, because there's going to be lots of times where you need to secure something, and these do a great job. I'll probably actually tidy up those wires as well with these, but yeah, these will save you, and it works wonders, man. So let me run this down here, and then we'll secure it to the shelving. All right, so I got this probe sitting down in the corner. See, it's running along here. It's coming down. And on this one, as I run through the back, and I have it secured with the zip tie right here. So that little probe is what's going to give me those temps. That's coming up here. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah. And it's easy enough to set here. Go through your menu. What temp you want it. Let's click on that. Rolling with quite a few ball pythons. That's probably what I'll be hatching. It's going to be between 80, 88 and 90, 91. I don't know, I might set it at 89, see how that works for me. Hit enter, entry accepted. Go through here, night drops for other things. Set time of day. It's currently almost 5 here, 5 p.m. So you just run through this. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be 4. What's that? 48. Sorry. Press enter. Then you go to the minutes. It's 4:48 here. Click enter. Entry accepted. Let's run through it here. Night drop. Don't need that. Don't need that. Time of day. Heat mode. To see that we do want alarms. They'll notify us if anything goes out of whack. And you see there, it's all set. 4:48, right at have that top one set for 89. The probe currently reading 78. So let's give it a few minutes, close this up, and we'll get back to it, see how it goes. All right, so we got this closed up. Temperature should be rising here. It's, like I said, it's set for 89 degrees. It's currently at 79. So we'll watch that, see how well it does. But I will say, I recommend getting digital thermometer. I believe this is actually a 2-pack. You can get on like Amazon, or you might be able to go to a hardware store or something, find it. Walmart might have them. But I do recommend this. Like I said, digital thermometer. Comes in a pack of 2. I think it's like $8-10 maybe. But make sure you get the thermometer with the hygrometer. So the hygrometer reads the relative humidity, obviously, so you can see those two numbers, kind of where you want your humidity, so those eggs don't dry out and whatnot. But like I said, definitely recommend this. We're going to bust these out. We're going to set them in there, and probably set one towards the top, one towards the bottom, and it'll give us kind of a reading of how these things are doing. So yeah, let's put them in here. All right, so I got these 2 out. I believe these come in different colors. See the readings here. How accurate that is, just got them out. But got the ones with these little stands, so make sure you get those. That way you can just stand them up right in there. I know these do have magnets too, I believe, but make sure you have a stand for this. That way you can just set them on the shelf there and give you good readings here. But let's get these in there. All right, see here, it's climbing up. It's currently at 81 below there. Temperature set for 89. So bring it down here. Got a cool little button, obviously turn it off and on. But hopefully there's not too much of a glare. The fan's going. Got our first one up there. Looks like it's reading 81, 47, percent humidity. Let's climb it as well. All the way down here, put this one towards the bottom. So you can see that, it says 82, 44, 45 on the humidity. But let's give it a minute, get them up to temp, and we'll see see how accurate everything is. All right, so here we are. Looks like probe's right at 90, just above obviously what we set for is 89. It'll fluctuate a little bit, but if you come down here and look at digital, this one's at 86.7, 39 humidity, fluctuating a little bit. Down here it's like 87.9, close to 88 at 38. Now I do know they gave instructions with this. That tube there is supposed to actually came with some foil tape to tape up the back to kind of I don't know, reduce the amount of heat coming out. So I'll probably have to cover that back up and get some more temps. But yeah, if you just look at it, everything seems to be going well. It's just one of these things you got to set up, and you know, everything you know, just got to dial it in yourself, whatever you may need or whatnot. But yeah, I mean, as far as all that goes, that's about it. Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video here on how to get everything set up. It's a real easy process, but yeah, if you found value in this video, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Cheers.